Yo fam, welcome back to AI Hustle Network. If you're searching for the ultimate way to start a YouTube channel without ever showing your face, this is your lucky day. Today I'm serving up a step-by-step guide to creating a fully automated YouTube channel using AI tools in 2025. No camera, no editing skills, no problem. Just hustle, creativity, and some amazing AI tools. Stick around because there's a bonus tip at the end you don't want to miss. Choosing a profitable niche. This is where your journey begins. Focus on topics that are either trending or evergreen. Think consistent traffic and audience engagement. Some hot niches for 2025? AI money-making tools, motivational quotes, celebrity news, tech explainers, and of course, top 5 or top 10 lists. Need inspiration? Google Trends is your best friend. And for free visuals, check out platforms like Pexels, Pixabay, and Unsplash. For example, if you're diving into AI money-making, look up terms like best AI tools or AI tools to make money. Boom, instant content. Let's talk script writing. ChatGPT is your go-to for this step. Just type in a targeted prompt like, write a 3-minute YouTube video script about the 5 best AI tools to make money in 2025. Include hooks, actionable points, and a strong call to action. Need to adjust the tone? ChatGPT's got you covered. Professional, casual, even humorous. And here's a pro tip. Don't stop at one script. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas for an entire series in your niche. With just a few tweaks, you'll have unique, engaging script. Turning your script into a video. For faceless video creation, tools like Pictory.ai are game changers. Pictory can automatically match your script to high-quality stock footage, add text overlays, and even generate AI voiceovers in different accents. It's like having a mini production studio at your fingertips. Pricing? Pictory offers a free trial, and paid plans start at just $19 a month. And if you want more options, there's InVideo for templates, Synthesia for AI avatars, and FlexClip for drag-and-drop editing. Don't forget about stock resources like Storyblocks for premium visuals and Epidemic Sound for background tracks. They elevate your content while keeping they're the first thing viewers see. Use Canva AI to craft attention-grabbing designs. Bright colors, bold text, and maybe even a sprinkle of emojis for flair. Simplicity is key here. You want viewers to understand your message at a glance. Create templates to maintain consistent branding across your channel. That way, every thumbnail screams, "This is my discovery." Use high-traffic keywords in your title, like "Start a Faceless AI YouTube channel in 2025." Write descriptions that flow naturally while sprinkling in a few relevant phrases. Tags are your SEO wingmen. Include both broad terms like AI tools and niche-specific ones like Pictory tutorials. Don't forget to organize your videos into playlists. This keeps viewers on your channel longer and boosts engagement. Oh, and upload during peak times for your audience. You now have everything you need to create a fully automated faceless YouTube channel in 2025. It's all about leveraging AI, your creativity, and pure hustle. If this video helped, smash that like button, subscribe, and join the AI Hustle Network fam. Got questions? Drop them in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next video. Oh, and don't forget to watch my top 5 AI tools making people $100 per day video. Let's keep hustling.